If you're looking for fabric painting, then this video is for you. Hi, thanks for stopping by and welcome to my channel Letsartify. This channel is all about Indian fabric art, and today we are going to learn fabric painting in 3 easy steps. The first step, preparing the cloth. Soak the cloth overnight in water, then after drying, iron it. Draw the pattern with pencil, or if you are confident to do it freehand, then you can do that as well. Take the fabric paint of your choice, add water to adjust the consistency, and paint with a round brush. Paint small segments with one single color. I'm painting the first layer with white. Before this color dries, you have to add the second color. I'm adding baby pink. I will blend it really very well, just like so. You can add the third color as well. I am using maroon and blending it well. You can use as many colors as you want, but you have to be quick because blending will not be possible if the color dries. So the trick is that you take small portions at a time. Okay, so what's important? Blending is important. Recently I read a story on blending in and how important it is in our life. The story was about a chameleon. Once in a bustling forest, there was a chameleon named Chroma. Unlike other creatures, Chroma had the extraordinary ability to change colors and blend into its surroundings. One day, a group of predators arrived, causing panic among the animals. The creatures scattered, trying to hide or escape. Observing this, Chroma realized the advantage of blending in. As the predators searched for their next meal, Chroma altered its colors, seamlessly blending with the foliage. It watched as those who stood out became the target of the predators. Over time, Chroma learned the importance of adapting and blending in various situations. In a world full of challenges, blending in didn't mean losing identity, but rather using adaptability to navigate different environments. By blending with the right crowd or adapting to diverse circumstances, Chroma found safety, made friends easily, and thrived in its forest home. The lesson Chroma embraced was simple. Sometimes the ability to blend in and adapt isn't about changing who you are, but adjusting to the circumstances to safeguard oneself and achieve greater success. So, if we learn the art of blending in, then we get the advantage of increasing our flexibility. We would be able to balance work and personal life better and get high level of satisfaction and productivity. Okay, coming back to work. The brush strokes are very easy, just simple drag and drop. I am dragging the paint from one point to the other. Yes, one thing I wanted to share that since it is a small piece of cloth, I have pasted fusing paper behind it. So we just have to iron the fusing paper on the back side of the cloth and it just gets fixed. Now why I did so? Because to keep this cloth flat. Either you put it on a frame or you add fusing paper to make it flat. I usually put the frame for bigger pieces, larger pieces, like while painting the dupatta or a salwar suit. I definitely use the frame to stretch out the cloth. Otherwise, if I'm making small pieces, like I will convert this piece of cloth into a table mat, so I don't want to put it on a frame, and therefore I have put a fusing paper behind this cloth. Okay, so once the painting is done, it will dry in couple of hours, and then you can heat set it. This is the third step. You will have to heat set it by ironing it from backside. So for this small piece of cloth, you need to iron it for about 7 to 10 minutes so that you set the colors into the fabric, and then it is ready for use. You can wash it, but do not wash it in a washing machine. You should always wash it separately with mild detergents if you want the color to appear as bright as it originally is. I hope you found this presentation informative and interesting. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe if you wish to see more such videos on Indian textile art. See you in my next video. Till then, create, beautify, and let's artify. Thank you.